So let's take a look at data types and variables in Kotlin. So I have created one hello.kt file in which I'm going to write my Kotlin code. So make sure to create a file that ends with .kt format. Okay, you can name your file anything. I have named it hello, then .kt. Okay, so first thing, we will create our main function. So fun space main, then args, and here you have to list array and mention string. Okay, and outside this, make sure to have curly bracket. And first thing, we are going to create a variable with val keyword, and then let's say a, which is going to be integer value, and I'm going to add some value such as 12,000. Similarly, I can do the same with, let's say, double value. So I'm going to use that. Let's say 100.123. Okay, for double value, I can use the same with float, with let's say float. Okay, and then here we can use 125.say34f. So that would be float value. Similarly, I can use this string value with, let's say, raw string. Okay, and here we can mention string, and let's say I want to mention Devnami Kotlin. Okay, and all I have to do is simply use println to output the value, let's say such as starting with integer value. Okay, so here I'm going to use a, then println double value. Let's say that would be b, and then println that would be float value, that would be f. And finally, I can print out this raw string with, let's say I have string value, and here I can use a raw string. Okay, so let's try to find out if there are any errors by simply opening command prompt and compiling this. So for that, let's take a look at Kotlin C and type in your name of file that ends with .kt, then use include, and then runtime. Okay, then also /t before you call for the jar file, which also starts with the name, and .jar as its extension. So hit enter. If there are any errors, it should point to that. Okay, if there are no errors, then it should return with blank prompt. So here you can check java-jar, and here you can type in hello.jar. And here you get the output: integer value, double value, float value, then string on screen. Okay, you can add a bit of, let's say, tab or some sort of space so that after compilation you can properly get the output instead of this mixed up output. Okay, so this was the basic tutorial on how to work with data types and variables in Kotlin.